Let's get Sunilji to comment on some of the very strong moves that we are seeing in the pharma space. Sunilji, blowouts happening on erstwhile favorites, Divi's Lab, Dr. Reddy's, Newland Labs, all of them, showing very smart double-digit gains. As a long-term market observer, where would you be putting in your money? Is pharma looking overvalued?
No, I think pharma is a good play, and the reason for that is that I see pharma now developing like the IT. As a maturity, India started off as a generic play, taking products off patent, using process patents to get around product patents. We did the hard grind that way as a more of a KPO. But now you see in the product space we are bidding very strongly, and I think the coming of age of Indian pharma is going to lead to very explosive growth. During COVID, we saw a bounce back, but that was more because of the vaccine stuff. But after that, pharma generally being perceived as a defensive play, I see now over the next year, 2 years, it going a larger part of the growth basket. And so similar to what happened with IT, which went from safety to growth and then corrected a bit and then now again picking up, I would say pharma is on that wicket. The key point, of course, is also the US recovery, because US is the largest market. So end of the day, you might do products, you might do everything, but the US recovery is going to get delayed. That might slow the growth of these pharma companies. But I remain that the signs on the US are looking good, and I think over the next year you will see US bounce back to a good growth rate, and that augurs well for the pharma sector, because I think the hard grind has been done by Indian pharma. They are poised to now take the product level thing to the next level. And within pharma, the good strong thing is happening is the thanks to COVID again is the domestic diagnostics hospitals. Those business also support. So pharma is not just an export play for me; it's a more rounded play. I would say pharma, healthcare, diagnostics should be looked at as a wider basket, and I would be an investor in those at the current play, especially also because the market overemphasized on infra, defense, energy, all those PSUs and all of that. So they did not probably get the amount of capital that they deserved. So there's a catch up on valuation also supporting that story. So I think pharma looks to me as a good medium term bet.
Arvindo Pharma